morning to all my students. I, Dr. Gajendra Prasad Singh, Head and Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, Jamnilal College, Hajipur, a constituent unit of BRA, Bihar University, Muzaffarpur. Today we will learn the chapter alcohols. As we know, alcohols a very important chapter. Alcohols are generally known as alkyl alcohols or alkanols. First we come to know what are alcohols or what is alcohol. Generally, alcohols or alkanols are hydroxy derivatives of alkanes which are obtained by the replacement of hydrogen atom from alkanes by hydroxyl, that is OH group. They are also supposed to be the alkyl derivatives of water. If we write alkane as R bond H, here R is alkyl radical. If we replace this H hydrogen atom by OH, R bond OH is obtained. It is known as alcohol or alkanol. If we take water, H bond OH, if this H of water is replaced by alkyl radical R, we get ROH. That is also alcohol or alkanol. This is the general case. But if we come to the particular case, like ethane, ethane can be written as C2H5 bond H. If this H is replaced by OH group, hydroxyl group, we get C2H5OH. This compound is known as ethyl alcohol or ethanol. If we consider water, HOH, if this H of water is replaced by C2H5, that is ethyl group, also C2H5OH is obtained. That is ethyl alcohol. Thus, we can say that alcohols are hydroxy derivatives of aliphatic hydrocarbons. In other words, we can also say aliphatic compounds, aliphatic organic compounds containing hydroxyl group which are called alcohols. This can be said the definition of alcohols. Now we come to the classification of alcohols. As we say, alcohols are classified into two ways. We can say there are the two ways by which alcohols or alkenols are divided. First way is on the basis of number of OH groups, and the second is on the basis of groups present. We will discuss one by one. First we consider the classification based on number of OH groups. Alcohols may be classified on the basis of number of OH groups present in the molecule of organic compounds. It can be shown as it is shown in the note that alcohols are divided in four categories, four parts. First is monohydric alcohol, second is dihydric alcohol, third is trihydric alcohols, and the fourth is polyhydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols. In case of monohydric alcohols, only one OH group, that is hydroxyl group, is present. For example, methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol CH3 bond OH. Here this is CH3 is methyl and OH is alcohol. So it is named as methyl alcohol, or it can be named in IUPAC system methanol. Second example can be given CH3 bond CH2 bond OH, that is C2H5OH. It is named as ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Another example can be said CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond OH. It is named as propyl alcohol or propanol, etc. Dihydric alcohols. Now we come to dihydric alcohols. In dihydric alcohols, two hydroxyl groups are present. Its example is ethylene glycol. It can be written as CH2 bond OH. Now bond C, CH2 bond OH. Here there are two hydroxyl groups present on two different carbon atoms. Thus, ethylene glycol is an example of dihydric alcohol. Now we come to trihydric alcohol. In case of trihydric alcohols, three hydroxyl groups, that means three OH groups are present. For example, CH2 bond OH, bond CH2 CH OH, bond CH2OH. Or we can say CH2OH, bond CHOH, bond CH2OH. This is the formula of glycerol. We can say that glycerol is an example of trihydric alcohol. Now, the last, that is the fourth category, that is polyhydric alcohols. As we know, poly means many. So, it can be defined as कि in polyhydric alcohols, many hydroxyl groups, many OH groups are present. For example, CH2OH bond CHOH whole 4 bond CH2OH. Its formula has been shown in the note. It is known as sorbitol. So, sorbitol is an example of polyhydric alcohols. Now, we come on the second type of classification, that is classification on the basis of groups present. In this classification, alcohols are classified into 3 categories, 3 classes on the basis of this group present in the molecule. First is primary alcohol. First is primary alcohols. Second is secondary alcohols. And the third is tertiary alcohols. Now we discuss primary alcohols. When hydroxyl group, this is OH group, is attached to a primary carbon, that is bond CH2 bond, then it is called primary alcohol. As for example, CS3 bond CH2 bond OH. It is an example of primary alcohol and is named as ethyl alcohol or ethanol. Primary alcohol is indicated as 1 degree alcohol. Now we come to secondary alcohols. When hydroxyl group, that is OH group, is attached to a secondary carbon, then it is called secondary alcohol. This secondary carbon, in this secondary carbon, only one hydrogen atom is attached with the carbon atom, and all the 3 valencies are satisfied by alkyl radicals. All 3, I mean to say that if CH, that is secondary carbon. For example, CS3 bond CH, bond OH and bond CS3. Here there are 2 alkyl radicals, not 3, 2 alkyl radicals. attached with the carbon atom, and one valency of that carbon atom is satisfied by hydrogen atom, and the other valency, rest valency, is satisfied by OH group. Thus we can say CH3 bond CH, OH, CH bond OH, bond CH3. It is isopropyl alcohol. Or we can say 2-propanol, or we can say propane 2-ol. Thus, secondary alcohol is shown as 2-degree alcohol. As we have already discussed, that primary alcohol is shed 1-degree alcohol, secondary alcohol is 2-degree alcohol. Now we come to tertiary alcohols. When this hydroxyl group, that is OH group, is linked to a tertiary carbon, that means that carbon whose 3 valencies are satisfied by 3 alkyl radicals, that is tertiary carbon, then it is called tertiary alcohols, and indicated as 3-degree alcohol. Its example is tertiary butyl alcohol. As we write CH3 bond CH3 bond CH3 bond OH. Here it is quite clear that the carbon atom attached with OH group is attached by 3 methyl radicals. It is tertiary butyl alcohol. This is about your classification of alcohols. It is important chapter. It has been placed in TDC part 1, honors and subsidiary both. More in the next class. Good morning to all my students. Thank you. We will meet in another class. Thank you.